Hi there from the Rainbow Studio. As promised, I'm going to give you a 3-minute video on each one of these supplements from Young Living and how to know which one to take and what is for what. So if you're like me, I have bought every type of vitamin from the health food store to Costco, and they usually wind up sitting there and expiring because I think I subconsciously procrastinate because they feel so big and hard to me in my throat, and I don't know, they usually get stuck in my throat, and then I think, oh, I'll take it later, I'll take it with food, and later doesn't come, and then they go bad. So anyway, I was on Essential Rewards for Young Living, and I had bought so many oils. I have like literally 50 oils next to me right over here, but I wanted to start to branch out and try some other things, to detoxify the house, and eventually I got to the supplement line. So, you know, every month I was sampling something a little different. So now I have many, many products. This, I don't know how the lighting is, but that's Life 9. This is Agile Ease, Super B, which probably a lot of you take vitamin B. This is Digest and Cleanse, which I absolutely love. I take this, you know, when I'm gonna do some cleansing, but you can take it anytime you want. It's really wonderful for your digestive tract. It smells so good. It's like, just has that kind of like herbal, yummy ginger kind of smell to it. Super Cal Plus, Super C, Multigreens, Allerzyme, no more Benadryl for this family for like 3 years, and Inner Defense. So today I just wanted to talk about Inner Defense because it is the fall and it's literally 4 days into the new school year. So I know that I want to start to protect my immune system because anytime there's a big seasonal shift, I know I get kind of worn out, worn down. My immune system seems to suffer. I mean, I think that's true for everybody. The energy changes, our schedule changes, our kids go back to school. Psychologically, there just seems to be some kind of like fight or flight, and our body goes, whoa. So I like to take Inner Defense. I give it to my daughter also. She's 16 years old, and I just want to make sure with all the sports that she does that she's supporting her immune system. So I pulled my little computer up here because I wanted to read to you what was in here. And so you don't have to be a scientist to know that these things are really, really good for you. Okay, so Thieves Oil, so we all know that's clove, lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, and cinnamon, all anti-inflammatory, antifungal, antiviral oils in and of themselves. And these are pure, of course, which you've heard me say 100 million times. No pesticides on these crops, picked at exact ripeness and alive. So these are living oils, which I absolutely love, and I'm not afraid to take them or choke on them or, you know, like have them stuck in my throat or, you know, just indigestion. That is just bleh. These are like that, and it just feels good. It feels alive. It's just such a wonderful little, you know, you feel good as you're taking it. So anyway, where am I? Yeah, Thieves and eucalyptus. That's all the rosemary that I was just telling you about, cinnamon. And in addition to that, there is oregano and thyme, and lemongrass. So if you've done any research or you want to just get off this video and go look up oregano and the studies that they've done, just regular pubmed.org, the public medical records. Oregano is very, very strong antiviral, antifungal. And so all that goodness is in here. It's steam distilled, so it's not heated the crap out of it, and all the constituents that help you heal, you know, are killed off. This is just like a living bit of goodness to support plant immune system, can support our immune system. So that's Inner Defense. Take it, you can take it all the time, you can take it during the change of season, but it will help you support your immune system. So this is added to my fall protocol. 4 minutes and 30 seconds, I did it. Stay tuned for, what are we gonna do next? We'll do Life 9 next. Okay, so to be continued. Namaste.